Ready to transform your Veo 3 footage from silent film to cinematic experience? First, open your Veo 3 project in the Veo editor. You will find the timeline at the bottom of your screen. This is where you will add and manage your audio. Locate the audio button in the toolbar, usually represented by a music note icon. Click it to open the audio import panel. Here, you have several options. You can upload your own audio files, browse through Veo's built-in sound library for sound effects or background music, or even record a voiceover directly within the editor. Let's say you want to add your own audio file. Simply drag and drop the audio file from your computer into the timeline, positioning it where you want the audio to start. You can adjust the length of the audio clip by dragging the edges of the audio waveform in the timeline. This allows you to perfectly sync the audio with your video. Fine-tune your audio using the editing tools. Adjust the volume to balance the audio with the video's existing sound. Use fade-in and fade-out effects for smoother transitions, and split the audio clip to remove unwanted sections. And that's it. You've successfully added audio to your Veo 3 project, creating a more engaging and immersive viewing experience. Now go unleash your inner sound designer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Veo 3 tips and tricks.